for an announcement here today. We have Dr. Palash Sen with us, who is the head, who is the frontliner at audio market in the Indian industry. And we wanted to bring up, and here we are very proud to have Dr. Palash Sen, who's been in this industry for the past so many years and who's been following his heart when it comes to the whole audience and the whole crowd. I mean, we're always in tandem to do something new and different. So hence we are here all gathered together to announce this particular launch, 1000 with the Dr. Palash Sen signature series, Dr. Palash Sen signature series.
For this? Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. And we launched this last evening over here only at the Holiday Inn. I think it's pretty obvious that we're supposed to sit down and talk about how fantastic this microphone is and how good, what all good things that these guys have done. I just want to tell you that I've joined hands with them for a very for the same reasons that I've lived my life. I've never done anything under any compulsion, and some friends of mine will know that I've always done things which I felt were the right things to do and what my heart said. I am a medical doctor by profession. That's what I've studied for. But then when I took the has been around. Approximately 7 or 8 months back, Sachit, he approached me, and he approached me like just another person, and he came and said, he calls me Palashda. He said, Palashda, we are launching this microphone, and we'll be very happy if you check it out. He never spoke to me about endorsing it or doing anything. He just said, I just want you to check it out. And I checked it out. Euphoria is one of the busiest acts on the circuit, so I checked it out in 3 different arenas. The first one we did was a public show that we did at Phoenix Mills. Then the next one we did was the SIES college show, which was in Nehru. And the third one we played was a corporate show for Godrej. So you can understand there were 3 different circumstances that I used the microphone in. With different number of people. The first one, the public show had say about 2,500 people. The next one had about some 10,000-15,000 people, and the third one had about approximately 500 to 1,000 people. And I tried the microphone on all the 3 this thing, and I told him, this is absolutely fantastic. So he said, okay, fine, if you like the microphones. And usually I've been using the Shure and I've been using the Sennheiser, which is what is the norm all over the world. So he said, okay, fine. Again, actually, he didn't say anything still. He said, okay, fine. We have a studio in Delhi also. It's called The Clinic. The studio is also called The Clinic. So he said, okay, I'm going to send you a microphone for the studio also. So he just sent me a microphone to use, and he sent me his monitors also. So we used the microphone inside the studio. I used this on stage. And then he said, I'll be very happy if you support us in this. And that's all he said to me. And I said, yes, sure, we'd love to support this. I would love to support you on this. And he spoke to me about the signature series, and okay, we'll have a signature series by an Indian vocalist, and an Indian vocalist who's not really in the mainstream. I don't sing for films, and I'm not part of the entire Bollywood thing. I still do I follow my heart. I do the stuff, and this microphone is great for people like me, because we are actually live singers. We're not people who hide behind machines and auto tunes and studios. We don't hide behind -1s. We go there and we do live stuff, and that's where this microphone comes. I would say that there's so many things that I've done in my life, but what I'm doing right now, I think is very, very significant, because I'm a very, very big supporter of what Mr. Modi says. He says of the fact, I'm not a big supporter of most of the things he says, but then some things he says are very, very good. Like when he speaks about made in India and make in India, I'm a very, very big supporter of that, because I really feel that most of the techies all over the world are actually Indians. Most of, if you go to the entire Silicon Valley, you go anywhere, most of the guys who, even NASA, most of the people who are making all this stuff are actually Indians. The problem is that in this country, basically the support hasn't been there for the real guys to come up with their own technology and put it out there. So here were my bros, Nixon and Sachin, who actually came up with this kind of a technology where they could make made in India microphones at a very, very good cost, at a low cost. at the same time providing the you know the finesse of a Sennheiser or a Shure, you know. And he's been telling me that, you know, when he went to one of these exhibitions, these guys came to him and they said, you know, can we just open the capsule and see what's on, you know, how can you achieve these kind of results with these kind of monies? The thing is that, you know, it's not only about the money, you know, it's about who is making what, you know, what are you trying to do. And you know, that's what I follow in Euphoria also, you know, whether we get paid 10 rupees or a 10 lakh rupees, you know, the performance is the same. So it's the same thing with the microphone, you know. It's not about the money. It's about the fact that, you know, they're trying to provide a certain kind of class for whatever money that they feel is, you know, is right, and it's justified. It's not phenomenal. They're pricing the mic at about 19 grand, which is unbelievable. I mean, you guys should know that one of the pro mics that I use, on, say for Shure, is approximately 2,80,000, 70,000. So I mean, you know, if a microphone that's 19 grand is giving you the same kind of quality on stage, I'm sure there are lots of artists in this country who still are not being able to perform at a very, very high level, and where lots of money can be spent. And they can have this microphone and use it, and, you know, and I guarantee you, it's the quality is the same. So guys, I mean, you guys are from the media. I mean, you are the people who actually tell everybody who's good and who's bad. We get to know that Rahul Gandhi is a joker, and, you know, whatever. Thanks to all of you. So I really would want to say that, you know, this is a great thing to support. It's an Indian brand made by Indian guys and being used by, you know, an Indian band. If you guys support it, take the word ahead. I think, you know, there'll be great things, and I'm sure these guys will come up with more products, you know, which will help, you know, upcoming musicians and musicians like me, you know, who really don't want to follow them down. So that's it. If you guys want to ask me anything, you can please go ahead.
You want a one-on-one? Even you want a one-on-one? Everybody. I think they want one-on-one interactions. So, you want to talk about the features and about the company a bit more? Sajid
Okay.
and Nixon?
Yeah, I think I'd say a little bit more about the company. Circle Pro Audio basically is a sister concern of Circle Infotech. Circle Infotech was founded about 8 years back, and that company is primarily into computer peripherals per se, keyboards, mouse, computer cabinets, etc. It was in Circle Pro Audio is an extension to Circle Infotech, which Nixon founded along with the managing director of Circle Infotech, and they came together again with the same vision, which is to provide absolutely amazing quality product to the Indian audience by an Indian company. That was the base. I mean, that's our motto, and that's our basic ideology when we work in Circle Pro Audio. The first wireless microphone that we launched was in 2012, my bad, I'm sorry, 2012, and that was after 3 years of extensive research. I mean, we did a lot of research before launching any product, and again, we follow the same ideology even now. Every product that Circle launches is tried and tested over multiple times in different scenarios, going through different tests, right from the physical tests to the quality control test. I mean, we follow all of this very, very efficiently, and that's how we move ahead. And like Palash, that's what I call him, mentioned, that we are an Indian company where we are designing all of these things in India, like right from the circuitry design, everything, we are doing everything in India. Nixon is the man behind it. He's been in the sound industry for the past 18 years now, so that kind of experience in this industry helps him to you know, put these things together in place. So we design everything over here, and then we take it back to China, to our factory, where we manufacture them and bring it to India.
So that's what you have to change.
That's the plan. That's the plan.
मेहनत तुम कर रहे हो, पैसा वो कमा रहे हैं.
That's the plan in the future coming years. We want to bring down our manufacturing unit also to India. Right now, as we are progressing with the technological development across various genres in India, that doesn't seem to be a far-fetched dream for us also. So we are slowly working on that part to bring our manufacturing unit down to India and start manufacturing in India itself. But as of now, what we are doing is we are designing the whole thing over here. We're taking it back to China. We're getting it manufactured, and we're bringing it here. So the brains and the idea is completely Indian, what we are making, and the result is this, what you see, a microphone. So, I mean, it's an absolutely amazing product. And
Are you coming up with different colors also, Sachin?
yes,
We do
have different colors which are available. I mean, what we are doing is different colors are basically on the top and the bottom part we are changing colors. And we have a golden series also. But as of now, what happens is the industry demands for a black color wireless mic.
Because Hindustani है, गंदा नहीं होता.
So that's why we are sticking to a black color mic as of now. So people like it. So we just
No, I think it's amazing. I just want to add and just say it again that it's very important that all of us start really finding pride in who we are and what we are. And that only way it's going to happen is we support our own stuff. Everybody keeps talking about, the government keeps talking about the FDI, coming into India and all that. But the point is this, that, eventually it is what we make is what is really going to make our economy stronger. And, so I'm saying it from a very different perspective also. This is just the beginning, we have been, musicians we have known Ahuja sound for many years. But Ahuja sound was not really the kind of sound that musicians would use. That is more for politicians to hold rallies. But this is pro sound, this is what you need, and I think the day is not far where Nixon and Sachin are going to be making their own PA systems and stuff like that, and that's very important that we, we as in all of us, we start supporting this entire initiative now, because if we do this, I think generations are going to help us, thank us and really support this, and one day I think I'm sure they'll be sure is not going to be as sure as a circle. मैंने कल से उनके बारे में काफी बुरी बातें बोली हैं यार. So no, they are a great company also. I just think they are overpriced. That's the only problem. They're grossly overpriced.
Same thing. That I've seen the scenario change over a period of time. That where we had this entire complex that the white guys are better than us. It's actually happened to me very clearly once at one show in Bangalore, when there was this white guy, which I can do better than this. That's where the entire fixation went up. But this one question that I think is going to come across to you, to Sanchit, to Dixon, and even Palash all the time is that how do you rate circle microphone against Sennheiser or a Shure? Two ways. One is like a technical this thing, and basically a feel factor. From a feel factor, I think we should be able to.
See, I'll just tell you, I did something very interesting last evening. So we were launching this in front of all the dealers, and my guitar player couldn't make it. He was down with a viral. He couldn't make it. So we were all discussing as to ab kya kare. Should Cedric play guitar or should we get a cajon? That kind of thing. So I said, so the basic thing that I'm actually I'm here to tell everybody is it's a super microphone. The only way I can really prove it to them is to sing without any accompaniment. So you get to hear the entire thing of this microphone, where lots of us, we say that when we are hearing, "Arey yaar, wo guitar play acha ho jata na," that's why the vocal is sounding good, or whatever it is. The band sounded great. So I got on stage and I in front of all those people, I just sang on this without any accompaniment. And I sang a song which had the lows and the mids and the highs. Everything was there. And the applause at the end of it was, I think, it was endorsement enough to what I was trying to tell everybody. So you can keep speaking about it for the rest of your life. But as I just told you, I use this in 3 different circumstances. After using a Sennheiser for the last 16 years. Or a Shure, for the last 16 years.
I thought that should be 20 years. Because I first remember seeing you somewhere in 94.
No, 98 actually. 98 is when the first album came out.
90,
No, 94.
Before the
No,
album.
94 I was playing on Ahuja sound. So.
Yeah, so the time show.
Yeah, correct.
That was the first time, and that's when I actually appreciated the fact that there was an Indian band, educated Indian band who actually generally speak in English, but they were actually trying to do music in Hindi.
Yeah.
That was the time
But then again, made in India. That's the whole point. So the microphone. I'll be very honest with you. I would really tell everybody that this is on par with anything else that I've sung on. Also, you know me. My point is very simple. That it's not only about the tools. It's about how good you basically are. Uske baad tools can just make you sound better. But this one, I think you can use it and you'll know. It's as good as any Sennheiser or a Shure. It's as good. There's no difference. I'm not going to say this is better. Because that is something that I really will not be able to, it's not, I should not be discounting somebody else's effort. My point is this as good, because it gives me the same quality when I get on stage.
So they basically, that means like if you're using a Sennheiser microphone on one show, another show if you're using a circle microphone, you won't feel that, okay, I got something lesser.
Okay, so let me just tell you. When I played the show, the Phoenix Mill show, I had both the microphones. I had the Shure and I had the Circle. And I didn't know, when it's dark, you're not really seeing what's written on it, So I was singing on the Sennheiser and I had the thing. So what happened was that I just said this is not somehow there's a problem. Can I use the other microphone? So they gave me this. And then I sang the entire show on this. So I've done this like on the on the job. I know it that I've been singing on both the microphones in the same show, and I prefer this. The thing is, I've not been carrying this to all the shows yet, because the thing is very simple. That supposing a sound guy has come up and he's got his own gear and he's got his own microphone, this and that. I don't really want to be a hindrance in his whatever he's trying to do. My thing is this, that if I got an opportunity and there was other microphones available and there was a Circle available, I will support it only for one reason. This is Indian. And this gives me as much, like for example, I would rather have you come and mix a show for us, than somebody else who's not from this country. There is something, I think we'll all have to start finding pride in who we are. It's very, very important. I mean, it's rare to see like a Japanese working with anybody else but a Jap, because that's the whole point. You have to support your country, and it's not so much to do with racism. It's got to do with pride in who we are, and we are 1/6 of the world population. यार अपने आप को support करेंगे तो किसको करेंगे?
Just I just wanted you to elaborate on the same question. Is that the same question from a technical point of view? Is that if you measure the frequency response of the same microphone compared to like a Shure or this one, what is it that you have? Like you have a better frequency response, or you have like average same frequency response, or what is that?
Can I answer this, Nixon, if you don't mind? Yeah. I'll answer this question for a very simple reason. What happened was, I'll tell you, we did, like I said, we continuously keep developing our product to improve. So, we keep improving our product. We keeping adding on something or the other. Recently, what we did was we changed all our circuitry to a 4-layer circuit, which is the latest advancement as of now in the industry. All the new products that you're getting are all 4-layer circuit, and last year we went ahead and we changed all our circuit to 4-layer circuit. And the microphones came to us from China. It came to India, and my colleague Sanchit, he's not here actually. He's down mixing the rest of the band down there. So we both went to our warehouse. We picked up a wireless microphone. We came back to office and we started testing it. And it was sounding a little different for us, because we have had the previous lots which was sounding a little different, and this was sounding a little different. So we'd also changed some bit of the capsule also. We changed the capsule part also. So it was sounding a little different. So I was really paranoid at that point of time, frankly, as to what can be done now. This is sounding different from what we had in the past. What do we do about it? So what we did was, we had a Sennheiser in our office. So we took the Sennheiser, we connected both to a mixer, and we connected it to a smart software. We connected it to the smart, and we tested the Sennheiser first. We took a screenshot, and then we tested the Circle, and then we took a screenshot. We put both of them together. It was almost the same. The frequency response was absolutely almost the same environment. It was inside our warehouse in Powai. We tested this. That's when I said, okay, we are on the right track, and we are going on the right track. We are coming to the level that it's almost the same. Like even Palasda was telling, that we are not here to say that we are better than anybody else. That's not a point. Our point is we can stand up to them, and we as an Indian company can stand up to what
expertise that they have put into this. This is a very young company. But the thing is that, also the know-how that is there available right now, I think it's not that difficult to match it if your heart is in the right place. And I'm just telling you, he's giving you the scientific, the background. I'm just telling you from the perspective of just singing it, So if you just take the microphone and you sing through or speak through it, you'll know the frequency response is just the same.
Because the reason why I'm asking these questions to both of you all, because usually what happens is that the artist decides like what he wants many times.
I know,
So and saying that, man, I felt very good singing on this microphone. Makes a huge amount of impact with a lot of singers.
Yeah.
But similarly, what happens with a lot of sound engineers, okay, they will always say, yeah, man, what is the frequency response? The frequency response, oh, that 2K is little high.
My sound engineer did the same thing.
Yeah.
I'm telling
So
you.
that kind of analysis would actually kind of help two different,
Yeah, but
same
that's
community,
what.
like
See,
two sub-communities.
brother, music is all about this.
Yeah.
इतना
Fine,
सोचने
sir.
लगेंगे तो फिर म्यूजिक थोड़ा हुआ ना so that's so it's all about this. I think it from here. I'm sure there are lots of people sitting over there, but I'll tell you one, bro, you know it. All true guys, true musicians and true engineers, they all think from here only. They're not really, if it feels here okay here, everything is fine.
In fact, the very show that Palazda was talking about, the show at Phoenix Mills, I mean, that's how we went inside. I came inside, Vikram Bhai is the sound engineer for Euphoria. I gave him, can you please test this mic? If you feel it's fine, then we'll keep it up on stage, otherwise we'll pull it down. And then that show happened on the circle microphone.
Yeah, I
That's how our
sang the
journey
entire
started.
song. I sang the entire show, honestly, without even knowing I'm singing on a circle. So in the end, he's asking me, are you happy on stage? I said, yeah. Do you like the microphone? I said, yeah. I mean, ऐसा क्या हो गया microphone में? Then I got to it was a circle.
Yes.
What is the biggest hurdle in terms of technology for the live music industry in India?
I think the biggest hurdle in terms of technology, there's no hurdle in terms of technology. The biggest hurdle for live music in India is event management. That's the biggest hurdle. The problem is this, that every event manager / client says, I'm going to say spend 10 rupees. So if I'm going to spend 10 rupees, if the artist is charging 9 rupees, I'll get 1 rupee worth of sound. If the artist is spending 9 rupees 50 paise, I'll get 50 paise per sound. If the artist is charging 10 rupees, artist will get his sound himself. That is the biggest hurdle. The technology is out there. Everybody, if you see, they're great people who got a lot of sound. Also, then what happens is that when the support system comes in, they have their own ways of cutting down. They'll say, okay, fine, I won't send this, I won't send that. I'm cutting down. But that's what I'm trying to say. This is the point with this microphone. These guys are pricing it at 19 grand without making any compromises. It's like when I get on stage, I'm not bothered who's paying me how much of money. You understand? It's about getting on stage and giving people the time of their lives. So it doesn't make a difference. So answering your question, the biggest hurdle is actually the guys who are the event managers, the artist managers, and the clients. Because they want, I'm going to spend this much of money and I don't care about anything else. Even now, you'll be amazed, people don't know what a sound check is. They don't know. They think it's about coming, plugging in, and playing. Because there's so many artists who actually do that. पीछे तो CD चल रहा होता है, so who cares? मतलब Honey Singh's entire band is a CD. David Guetta recently lost his pen drive and he couldn't do a show. You understand what I'm saying? So then people think, what's the big deal? Why do you need so many amplifiers and why do you need a good microphone and why do you need anything? You just have to come and dance, whatever, sing or whatever it is. So that's the biggest. It's a mindset which is the biggest hurdle. So that's why I think why you guys are playing such a big role is that it's important and all of you really start educating people. That is important. It's very, very important. And then there are people who are coming and just lip syncing. It's important that everybody starts making a noise about it. A Britney Spears gets on stage and gets pelted with eggs because she was lip syncing. You understand? It's happened in Australia. Sydney में लोगों ने उसको अंडे मारे थे. हिंदुस्तान में क्या होता है यार? हिंदुस्तान में nobody is bothered. They are so bothered dancing. They're the only, they don't care कि हो रहा क्या है. In fact, they are very happy कि कितना सुर में गा रहा है. You understand? So I think it's important that all of you start doing it. I mean, there's so much of criticism about so much in the press right now. Every blogger and every Facebook guy he himself is a Times of India himself only. So if everybody knows it, and people like you are going to carry it forward, that we need technology, and for that technology we need to be aware. If we are aware, everything will be fine. We'll have better music, we'll have better performances, we'll have better gear. So here are people who are coming in with the gear, even when there is, what do we hear? We hear Baby Doll, yeah. So, you understand what I'm saying?
So who want to go first? You want to go? Acha.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पार्ट जो है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होते हैं, आप उनके कितने बड़े फैन हैं और कितना यूज़ करते हैं आप उनको जो नए नए इंस्ट्रूमेंट आते हैं?
यार मैं ऐसे कोई स्पेसिफिकली गैजेट फ़ैन नहीं हूँ। ठीक है, जो कि रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में जो भी मुझे ज़रूरत है उसकी तो मैं डेफिनेटली फ़ैन हूँगा। मैं आपकी तो देखूँ कि कैमरे में देखूँ? आपकी तो रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में जो भी गैजेट यूज़ में आते हैं ऑब्वियसली मैं चाहता हूँ कि अच्छी चीज़ें आएँ, हम उसको यूज़ करें। बट एट द सेम टाइम मेरा हमेशा से ये सपना रहा है कि हम लोग जो भी गैजेट यूज़ करें या जो भी चीज़ें यूज़ करें, आई थिंक वो सब की सब हिंदुस्तानी होनी चाहिए, मेड इन इंडिया होनी चाहिए और मेक इन इंडिया होनी चाहिए। तो मैं चाहता हूँ, हमेशा से मेरा मन है कि ऐसी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए। बट एट द सेम टाइम क्योंकि मैं एक परफॉर्मर भी हूँ, मैं एक डॉक्टर भी हूँ और दोनों चीज़ों में टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़रूरत है। मैं एक सर्जन हूँ तो उसके अंदर डिफरेंट तरह की टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़रूरत होती है, और मैं एक सिंगर हूँ तो उसके अंदर एक डिफरेंट तरह की टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़रूरत होती है। सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ जो टेक्नोलॉजी की वो होती है वो ये है कि जो भी जो शिल्पी है, जो काम कर रहा है, उसके लिए वो चीज़ बिल्कुल सही होनी चाहिए। शायद किसी और के लिए वो चीज़ इतनी सही नहीं है, मगर अगर आप उस चीज़ के साथ कंफर्टेबल हैं तो वही आपको चाहिए। सिंगिंग के अंदर आपको ऐसा सामान चाहिए जिससे आपके जो आप कहना चाह रहे हैं, जैसे आप गा रहे हैं, उससे जो आपके सुनने वाले हैं उनका मन अच्छा हो, और जब आपको डॉक्टरी में जो आपको चीज़ें चाहिए उससे जिसके ऊपर आप ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं, जिसको आप ठीक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसका तन ठीक हो, उसका मन के साथ तन भी ठीक हो जाए। तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और काइंड ऑफ आई वुड से दिस काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट जो मेरी ज़िंदगी में जिसका एक स्थान है। Absolutely.
तो लोग भी पसंद करते हैं कुछ हाई टेक्नोलॉजी
बिल्कुल,
करने
बिल्कुल।
का, एंड कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया में कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा पीछे रह चुकी है।
Correct.
तो उसके बारे में आपका क्या करेक्ट है?
देखिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया पीछे इसलिए रह चुकी है क्योंकि हमारे जितने भी IITs या से जो ग्रेजुएट करते हैं, बिकॉज एक समय आया था इस देश में जब सबको ये बात लगी कि यार पैसा बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो सबके सब कैपिटलिज्म के पीछे भागने शुरू हो गए। तो जितने भी IIT के ग्रेजुएट थे सब IIMs में चले गए या फिर किसी और MBA इंस्टीट्यूट में चले गए, और वो इवेंचुअली या तेल बेच रहे थे या फिर मेकअप का सामान बेच रहे थे। बहुत दुख की बात है। अब जैसे लोग सब कहेंगे भी पलाश तुम एक डॉक्टर हो, तुम गाना क्यों गाते हो? बट पॉइंट इज़ दिस कि मैं डॉक्टरी भी करता हूँ। मेरा यही पॉइंट है कि जितने भी हमारे देश के जो ब्रेन था उसका एक ड्रेन हो गया, वो सब के सब या US चले गए या यूरोप चले गए, कहीं भी चले गए, और वहाँ पे जाके उस टेक्नोलॉजी के वही लोग डेवलप कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो नासा है, चाहे वो सिलिकॉन वैली है, जहाँ भी है। अगर आप देखेंगे सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी ही है वहाँ पर जो कि इस चीज़ को डेवलप कर रहे हैं। ये चीज़ चाइना वालों ने थोड़ा सा हार्डनेस कर लिया। उन्होंने क्या किया कि उन लोगों ने कोशिश की कि वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को, अपने इंजीनियर्स को एक ऐसा सपोर्ट सिस्टम दे दें जिसकी वजह से वो चाइना में ही रह के बहुत अच्छा काम करें। अगर ये चीज़ हमारे देश में भी हो जाती, मैं पॉलिटिकल कोई कमेंट नहीं देना चाहता हूँ, बट ओवर द लास्ट 15-20 ईयर्स अगर ये चीज़ हो जाती तो अभी तक हम लोग सब कुछ अपने देश में ही बनाते। आई एम वेरी वेरी होपफुल विद आवर न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर। आई थिंक बहुत ही डायनामिक इंसान है और पहली बार आई थिंक हिंदुस्तान को एक लीडर मिला है। अब काफ़ी लोग कहते हैं कि वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोलते हैं जो वो करते नहीं हैं, बट एटलीस्ट बोलते तो हैं। इससे पहले वाला प्राइम मिनिस्टर तो बोलते ही नहीं थे। तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम लोग इस चीज़ को फॉलो करें। हमारे देश में लोग अपने अपने जो उनकी काबिलियत है उसको वो समझें और सराहें और अपने आप ही बनाएं। मेरे हिसाब से अगर ये चीज़ होगी तो अगले 5 साल में जिस तरह का ये माइक्रोफोन निकला है, ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हिंदुस्तान में बनेंगी ज़रूर। मैं एक्चुअली 2-3 चीज़ों के बारे में बोलूँगा। पहले तो मुझे लगता है कि जो एक मेक इन इंडिया का जो उन्होंने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है, मैं फिर से ये बोलूँगा वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। इवेंचुअली वो कितना सक्सेसफुल होता है या नहीं होता मुझे पता नहीं। 1 साल बहुत कम समय होता है किसी को भी परखने का। बट एट द सेम टाइम ये जो एक जो बोलते हैं ना एक उन्होंने हुंकार बोली है कि ये चीज़ हम करेंगे। प्लस पूरी दुनिया में जाकर इस चीज़ के वो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स लेकर आए हैं। बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड होंगे और ज़रूर होंगे, बिकॉज हमारे पास सचमुच एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एक कैपेबिलिटी है। पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगा आई थिंक दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। दूसरी चीज़ है जो कि आई थिंक हिंदुस्तानी शायद पिछले 60 साल से भूल गए थे कि हमें अपने देश को साफ रखना है। ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। हम इस चीज़ को भूल गए थे, इसलिए भूल गए थे क्योंकि ज़िंदगी में क्या होता है कि हम लोग जैसे घर में भी होते हैं, अगर बच्चे होते हैं ना, अगर हमारे पिता या हमारी माँ कोई चीज़ बोलते हैं, हम उस चीज़ को फॉलो करने की कोशिश करते हैं। बट हमारे पास कभी ऐसा कोई पिता ही था ही नहीं जिसने ये बात कभी बोली कि यार सफाई रखो। हमेशा यही बात होती रहती है कि यार हमने सड़कें बना दी और हमने किसान को देख लिया, बेचारे गरीब को तो सबसे ज़्यादा यही यूज़ करते हैं, उसके लिए कोई नोबडी केयर्स। बट यहाँ पे इंडोर्समेंट करने के लिए उसका नाम जरूर आता है कि हमने गरीब के लिए किया, हमने मजदूर के लिए किया, बट कोई कभी सफाई की बात नहीं करता। आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। एज ए डॉक्टर मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि 99% जो बीमारियां हमारे देश में हैं वो गंदगी की वजह से हैं। ये साफ हो जाएगा, ग्रेट। सो आई थिंक दीज टू थिंग्स आई एम वेरी वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड। यार मैं एक तो सर्वेज के बारे में मैं इतना कोई मुझे पता नहीं, क्योंकि अगर 20,000 लोग या 50,000 लोग 1.3 बिलियन के बारे में एक डिसीजन ले लेंगे, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। हमारा देश में इतनी डाइवर्सिटी है कि इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल कि इतने एक सर्वे ही इस चीज़ को बोलेगा। मैं पर्सनली बोलूँगा, मुझे बहुत खुशी है। मैं बोला ना, मुझे लगता है कि पहली बार हमारे देश में एक लीडर है। हमें लगता है कि हाँ एक हमारा एक लीडर है, जैसे दुनिया में शायद बराक ओबामा है या व्लादिमीर पुतिन है। एक लीडर है। अच्छाइयाँ बुराइयाँ सब में होती हैं, परफेक्ट तो कोई होता नहीं है, और बट एटलीस्ट एक ऐसा इंसान है जो कि आगे देखने की कोशिश करता है और अपने पूरे देश को हिंदुस्तानी होने का एक जो गर्व होता है वो देता है। हाँ, पहले तो मेरी एक फिल्म आने वाली है जिसका नाम है ऐसा ये जहाँ, जिसमें मैं हूँ लीड में। ऐसा ना यार मैं ज़्यादा ना मीडिया में बोलता नहीं हूँ। मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा रडार से नीचे रहना चाहिए, मैं रडार के ऊपर नहीं रहता हूँ। मैं इनफैक्ट ये भी लोग होते हैं ना, वो कहते हैं कि आज मैंने अपनी पहली सेल्फी खींची, आज मैंने ये वाला कपड़ा पहना। ये क्या न्यूज़ है? मतलब ये बहुत ही ये उनके लिए है जिनके पास एक्चुअली पेपर भरने के लिए और कोई जगह नहीं। जैसे आज भी मैं जो आपके मुखातिब हो रहा हूँ, इसलिए उनको एक सिग्निफिकेंट चीज़ है, एक माइक्रोफोन आ रहा है और जिसके अंदर अगेन आई वांट टू से दिस के ये भी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, ये कोई मॉनिटरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है। ये नहीं कि ये लोग मुझे कुछ पैसा दे रहे हैं कुछ। सचमुच मुझे ये चीज़ अच्छी लगी। मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी चीज़ों को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए, और अगर मुझ जैसे लोग नहीं बढ़ावा देंगे तो कौन देगा। तो पहली चीज़ है ये ऐसा ये जहाँ, जो कि एक बहुत सेंसिटिव और बहुत सेंसिबल फिल्म है। एक न्यूक्लियर फैमिली के बारे में जो कि इस शहर में फंसा हुआ है। हम सब इस शहर में फंसे हुए हैं, हम सब के सब। आई डो नॉट नो आप लोग बॉम्बे को बिलोंग करते हैं कि नहीं। मैं बॉम्बे को बिलोंग नहीं करता हूँ, मैं बनारस का रहने वाला हूँ। सो मेरी माँ जम्मू की रहने वाली है, मैं बनारस का रहने वाला हूँ। मैं छोटे शहर का रहने वाला हूँ जो कि फिर दिल्ली में आया, फिर बॉम्बे में आया। बट जो यहाँ का एक जो कॉन्क्रीट जंगल है वो देख के मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता है, और मुझे हमेशा मन करता है कि मैं अपने रूट्स को वापस जाऊँ। और ये कहानी बहुत सारे लोगों की है। तो ऐसा ये जहाँ इसी बारे में कहानी है, इन्वायरमेंट के बारे में। तो मैंने भी सफाई की बात की, इस फिल्म में उसके बारे में बात की गई है। तो उसके अंदर म्यूज़िक यूफोरिया का है, सारे गाने हमारे हैं। तो बहुत दिनों बाद हमारी एक एल्बम भी होगी और सारे गाने हमारे होंगे। ये हमारा इमीडिएटली हमारा अगला प्रोजेक्ट है। इसके साथ जो बाकी अनाउंसमेंट होंगे वो मुझे अलग अलग करने पड़ेंगे डिफरेंट टाइम।
बॉलीवुड का तो लाइक आजकल जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि बॉलीवुड में कई सारे सेलिब्रिटी है जो हॉलीवुड में जा चुके हैं, जो बॉलीवुड में वर्क करना चाहते हैं। तो कहीं ना कहीं वो ये मानते हैं कि हॉलीवुड का फेम एंड टेक्नोलॉजी आर टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम
इट इज।
तो लाइक आप किस तरह से
देखिए, उस चीज़ को मैं अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ, डेफिनेटली मैं उसको देख के एडमायर करता हूँ। मुझे लगता है कि डेफिनेटली वो अभी भी उस लेवल पे सोच रहे हैं, काम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जो कि ये इंडस्ट्री अभी तक कर नहीं पाई है। और ये इंडस्ट्री इसलिए नहीं कर पाई है, नॉट बिकॉज कि यहाँ पे टैलेंट की कमी है, बट गलत लोगों को बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है। मैं ये मानता हूँ कि अगर हम में वो काबिलियत है, वो इंटेलिजेंस है, तो आई थिंक हम लोगों को यहीं पे रहकर उस चीज़ को मैच करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए। और ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, हम ज़रूर कर सकते हैं, बट जो सही लोग हैं उनको अगर सही तरीके से बढ़ावा दिया जाएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिए, मेरा एक बैंड है और हिंदुस्तान का पिछले 16-17 साल में शायद एक ही बैंड है जिसने इस चीज़ को इतने दिनों तक चलाया है। तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि अगर सपोर्ट होती, इंडस्ट्री की सपोर्ट होती और इंडस्ट्री सारा का सारा पैसा बॉलीवुड सिंगर्स में नहीं डाल देती, तो मेरे से और भी बहुत सारे बैंड होते हैं। और हम ही एक बैंड है जिन्होंने जाके यूनाइटेड नेशंस की जनरल असेंबली में परफॉर्म किया है। मेम्फिस पे हम लोगों ने देयर 69 अमेरिकन बैंड्स और एक ही इंडियन बैंड था जहाँ पे हमने जाके परफॉर्म किया। तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि अगर एक इंटरनेशनल बैंड इंडिया से हो सकता है, और हमें अंग्रेजी में गाने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें हॉलीवुड जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम हिंदुस्तान में रह के ये चीज़ कर सकते हैं, अचीव कर सकते हैं। और भी लोग कर सकते थे, बट वही है, सपोर्ट नहीं मिला। तो अगर सपोर्ट मिलेगा, मैं जानता हूँ कि जिस तरह की हमारी काबिलियत है, जिस तरह का हमारा टैलेंट है, हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत खूबसूरत लोग हैं, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट लोग हैं। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोग अभी तक कहते थे कि हिंदुस्तान को गवर्नमेंट नहीं भगवान चलाता है, तो भगवान के भरोसे ही हम लोग इतने आगे पहुँच गए। ये सोचे अगर अच्छी गवर्नमेंट हो और अच्छा सपोर्ट हो तो हम कहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे।
पता कि आखिरी एक सवाल, आपका गाना आपकी आवाज़ में सुनने में बहुत दिन हो गया, अगर कोई एक लाइन या 2-3 लाइन आप गुनगुनाना चाहेंगे
तू सोच ले, 1 या 2 या 3 कितना होना।
कोई एक गाना, एल्बम तो अब सुना ही नहीं देते अब बिल्कुल ही।
बिकॉज वही ना, बिकॉज वो फिल्मों ने सब कुछ, और अगर आपने हमारी एल्बम सुनी तो आपको डिजिटल पे जाना पड़ेगा। क्या सुनाऊं आपको यार,
जो भी आपका पसंद का।
आपको जो हमारी नई फिल्म आने वाली है, अभी तक किसी ने सुना नहीं है, तो मैं आपको सुनाता हूं। वही सुबह वही शाम है, वही चेहरे वही नाम है, वही धड़कन वही रोशनी भी, अल्लाह यही राम है। फिर भी क्यों अजनबी, फिर मैं क्यों मैं नहीं, फिर है क्यों ये मकान घर नहीं, सौतेला सा ये शहर, सौतेला है ये मगर, फिर भी अपना है ये जहां, 100 जगह जाए डगर, 100 वजह जाने की पर, फिर भी जीना अब है यहाँ, सौतेला शहर। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
This is something I should promote.
I think just not one. I would speak about at least 3 or 4 people to develop this kind of a technology.
Right.
Second, it's on par with all the international microphones.
Okay.
Put on stage, it gives me the same results as an international
As any
microphone.
international microphone. Okay.
Third, very very important. With that kind of a technology and that kind of this is much lesser than any international microphone.
Yeah, I just saw that it's 19,000.
It's 19,000, which is very very affordable by the upcoming singers or other singers in this country.
Like youngsters.